everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 2nd of October and currently the time is 9:30 a.m. and I'm here on the Vagator beach. So today is a kind of holiday, it's Gandhi Jayanti today. So here I am and in the morning hours, so at the moment there is not that much of rush or anything. The beach is quite empty at the moment and also the weather is pleasant. Anyway, in the morning the weather is always pleasant. Okay, so now I'll show you the beach. So this is the whole Vagator beach, okay, and okay, you can see there is the main area of the beach, and I just came a bit ahead walking, and in the morning hours you can see there is absolutely no crowd. And talking about the condition of the beach is very dirty, really very dirty. You will find cows roaming everywhere, and there's cow dung on the beach and everything. And it's quite small stretch, from where I am here till that point, that last red flag which you all see, that's the last point. Only that much is the Vagator beach, and at the moment there is nothing like shacks and all, only this is also closed, okay. And there's just one lifeguard sitting over here. But talking other than that, you can see there are so many rocks here on this beach. It's mostly rocky, and where this y'all see this rocky area, y'all can't swim here, okay. There where y'all see a bit of crowd in that area, there y'all can swim, but not here where there is all rocky. So now I'm going back to the main area and I'll show y'all the beach from the other end. So this is the main entry of the beach, and here only you will get this small temple. And now we are going on the other side. Well, honestly speaking, there is not that much of thing to do here, because usually there are water sports activities over here, but still not opened, and also no shacks have been put up.
It's amore. 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 It's amore.
So I came walking from that side, okay, and here I am now on the right hand side of the beach, and just see there are so many cows here. So then the distance on top of there is the Chapora Fort, it's the fort wall. Chapora Fort opens at 10, so I'm not able to show it to you all at the moment. And currently the time is around 9:45, and all these updates that you all are seeing is from 9:45 in the morning. The rush is not that much, just a few people enjoying in the water. And you will see that there are a lot of these red flags which indicate that where the red flags are marked, you all can't swim in that area. So when you will come walking towards the end of on the right hand side of the beach, when you come walking towards its end, you'll see that over here you'll mostly find people fishing, individuals fishing over here. So the Vagator beach is not that great or anything. The only thing Vagator, there's the hype about this place is because there are this many aesthetic cafes and all over here, so people prefer coming here. And there are even many new cafes that are being built up at the moment, okay. And over here in the distance also you will see many cottages. I'll just zoom out a bit. So you will get this private cottages over here, which are right beach facing. So of course you are going to get good views from your cottage, and this might be a bit costly also, not sure. And well, this is the whole view of the beach. And you know, one more thing is that on both the ends of the beach there is one lifeguards sitting. So you all can just make out like how far I am from the main area of the beach. And if you all will come in the season time, like which is from October to March, you all will find like lot of tourists over here. And at that time you will find the beach like overcrowded. But you'll see at the moment there is like not that much of crowd. And there's also a wedding photo shoot going on here. And another thing you all will notice in the season is like there will be many vendors over here on the beach selling different things. Like some will be selling some snacks and all, while some, you know, those ladies who sell jewelry, they are not here at the moment. They will come when season is ahead, like during the month of October, of course. Okay, so I'm still quite far from the main area of the beach. I'll just go back quickly because like now it's already 10 a.m. and one bad thing is that here from 10 o'clock only you will get like harsh sun. Although the wind is cold, but as it will be 11 or 12, the sun will you know, like start, you will feel the heat, that's all. So I told you all right that I would show you all the beach from the top. So here I am on the top, like that is the road from where you come, and this is the whole, it's actually a big parking for cars. Okay, and usually when you come in the month of October and like those months like when season is there, over here you will find some stalls like coconut water and some drinks and all you will find. Okay, and here if you walk a bit ahead you'll get a beautiful viewpoint of the beach, and from this viewpoint you get to see two beaches. One is the Vagator beach on this side, and on the other side here you have the Ozran beach. Okay, so I'll show you all both the beaches from the top. First let's see the Vagator beach. So this is the top view of the Vagator beach, and that is the beach. So just some time ago we were down. Okay, and here is the end point of the beach. And you know, like if you all want, you all have scooters, you all can definitely go till there. Not from here, from the main road. Okay, like there is a road made to go till there. You all can even see some scooters are parked over there. Okay, so this is the top view. I'm sure you all also will notice that this beach looks beautiful if you all see it from the top. So here on the top there are these few benches kept from, y'all can just sit over there and y'all can like enjoy the view. But I don't think it's of any use because like at the moment it's like around 10:30 and the sun is like literally come out completely and it's like quite hot and humid as well. Okay, so in the morning y'all definitely can't sit here, but if y'all are coming at sunset hours y'all can sit here. But still y'all, it won't be like a pleasant type of thing because you will still feel the sun. Only after the sun is gone can you all enjoy sitting here. Okay, so here on the other side is the Ozran beach, and over here there is like literally no one, not a single person. You see? So this is the Ozran beach. People also call it a, you know, like a secret beach. It's not a secret beach though. Okay, so this is the whole view of the Ozran beach. Honestly speaking, it's all like considered Vagator only. It's just that a cliff is separating these two beaches. Okay, and in the distance over there, they have started building the shacks, but still you all can make out like the water is like quite in front. And like this is the whole view of the top. I think better than Vagator, this beach is like better, but it's just that it's more rocky. Okay, like sand is like less, mostly it is all rocky. Only that part over there is a bit sandy. Okay, and here also I think some cafe or I don't know like what to say, a restaurant has been constructed. So this is the whole view. So before leaving from this point, I'll just show you the market. Like mostly the market is here only on the top where you'll park your car. Well, talking about the parking is also down where we went. Near the beach also there's a parking, but it's like quite small. So better you'll park it here. And from here also you all can go down to the beach. I'll show you that way. So like this is the whole parking area, right? Over here in the corner, you'll have this small way to go down. Like there are a few stairs. I really can't believe that I'm seeing this place so empty. It's just that I've never come here during off season. So on the top here, just outside the parking, like near the parking, you all have these points like for food option and all. But at the moment only 2-3 are open, and for shopping you all have no options. So this is the market here near the Vagator Beach Road. Okay, and you all can see mostly all the shops are like closed. Only a few are open, like which are like basically food stalls, and other is search stalls where you all will get those dream catchers and fridge magnets and all. Other than that, like clothing and all is still closed. So this is the whole market area. So all this will open during the month of October and after. So this is the road which is coming down from the hill, and the road here goes down to the beach, and here there are just a few stalls of clothing. Here there are a few more.